Okay, today's project is to change the bulbs of the background lights of the dashboard panel. Okay, so this is Isuzu Trooper 3.0 Skyroof edition, and it's quite old, and the dashboard light needs changing already because it's the lights are already quite dim. So we will change it with the new T10 LED light bulbs. And these bulbs, these LED lights are quite cheap, but I ordered it online, so you can also order it online if you want to. So, and the color of this one is white. Okay, currently the color of the background is green, and let's change it. So the tools that we need are the following. So we will need screwdrivers, maybe flat, and Phillips screw, and then some of these remover. Actually, we will be using it to take out this one, and just to, you know, for plucking up some of the some of the clips. So the process of doing this is, first we are going to remove this, and then this, and then this, and before we can remove this. Then after removing this, then we can remove the entire background there. Okay, so that's the process. All right, so I'll see you around, and I hope that this will be a successful project. Okay, so we have removed this panel. So the next panel that we are going to remove is this one, and then the next one will be this one. Hopefully it will not be too difficult. So we have two screws here to remove this one, and then for this one we have screws here, and I think we still have screw there. Okay, so one here, one, then two, there's a screw there. Okay, then that's one. Okay, but for this one, there are two screws here. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I'm removing the panels. The problem here is this one is hard to remove because you have to remove first the switch. So it's very difficult if you are just going to, you know, to remove it at the back. So the best way that I have seen is to remove the switches itself by using this. Okay, so all you have to do is to pluck it out, and then so that it will be easier to remove these connectors. Okay, so I hope that this one will be a good tip for everyone when you are removing these panels, and I hope that we will be able to remove this one soon. Okay, so all right, so I'll see you again a little bit later when we remove it, but let me show you how to pluck this one, for example. Okay, so that's the easiest part, this is the easiest way to pluck that out, and as you can see, it will be easier then to remove the switch there. Okay, once we take this out. Okay, all right, so we're able to take off the dashboard. So the dashboard panel. So these are the lights. Okay, these are the lights. So based on our discussions in the forum that I belong, this one are the T10. Okay, these are what we are going to replace. So let's check that one. Okay, so we're going to replace that one. So as you can see, it's actually busted already, so I'm going to change that today. Okay, we're going to replace that, so as this one. Okay, Alright, so let's replace it. Okay, so we're able to remove that, but the problem is this LED lights, our replacement is will not fit here. Okay, so as you can see, there's a height difference between the bulbs. Okay, this one is supposed to be good, but it's taller than the other bulb. Okay, so I think I'm just going to I'll just go to the store and try to look for this kind of bulb, and for this kind of socket. It's a T10 socket. Okay, so I'm going to buy 4 for the replacement. All right. Okay, so we're able now to buy a better option for the bulb lights for the dashboard. So it's shorter and hopefully it will work better. And not to mention, it has a positive mark on it. Okay, so let's install it. Okay, so we're able to take out the panel. So this is the panel. Okay. In front. So what we want is to replace this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, I think I'm also going to check the driver, the D, third one. There you go, the D, because it has no light. So I'll probably just put it back or insert it well. Okay, so let's change it. By the way, all you have to do when you take this out is to twist a bit and you'll see the bulb. Okay, that's it. Then replace it with the new one. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this bulb has a positive mark. Okay, and this is the socket. So I don't know exactly where is positive, but I would assume that that this is the positive side, because it has a sort of a mark there. Okay, as you can see in between there. Okay, there's a mark. So what I just did now is, or I will do, is to just put it. The positive side will be on the left side. Okay, facing left. So I will put it back like that. Okay. So just a note, just to be sure that everything, all these 4 has the same terminal. Or if it will not work, then I will just have to turn to just put it on the right side. Okay, instead. All right, so let's do that first and let's see if it will work. Okay, after returning everything, as you can see, it's around noontime, and even if it is noontime, as you can see, the light now is very visible, the dashboard light. So it's we have a successful work. However, I was not able to change this light, this drive light, because we don't have a spare light. But I can leave with that for now. Perhaps if some other lights will be, will be out again, then that's the time that I will be changing that. But for now, we're happy and it is successful. Okay, see you on my next video.